Cordless power tools offer unparalleled portability and convenience. In recent days, even professionals have been increasingly using them for commercial purposes. That's why we are here with some cordless power tools they need. Upgrade your screw driving with the Dewalt brushless screwdriver, a compact and powerful tool designed for top efficiency. It delivers 25% more power and is 23% shorter, while providing corded-type performance in a small frame. This tool equips a brushless motor that ensures longer runtime and durability. Plus, it comes with a 1/4-inch quick-release hex that allows quick bit changing. With 15 clutch settings, this screwdriver handles various fastening and drilling tasks effortlessly. Meanwhile, the 3 LEDs on the nose light up your workspace. And weighing only 2.0 pounds, this lightweight screwdriver is perfect for all your fastening needs. It's time to get some exceptional cutting power with the Makita CE00 1G XGT Power Cutter, a leader in efficiency and precision. It offers a cutting depth of 127 millimeters and a faster cutting speed than its competitors. This tool has a low vibration design with anti-vibration housing and built-in springs so that you can make smooth operation. Powered by a 40-volt Max X2 XGT battery and BL motor, it efficiently cuts 8 to 10 rebars of 16 millimeter diameter at once. Built for tough job site conditions, it features WetGuard/IPX4 compatibility, extreme protection technology, and active feedback sensing technology. On top of that, it has some additional features like the electric brake, overload indicator lamp, LED job light, and a water supply kit, which makes the cutter a perfect cordless tool for any job. Whether you're digging post holes or handling landscaping projects, this Greenworks Earth Auger combines power, durability, and user-friendly features for an efficient digging experience. It's a robust tool equipped with an 80-volt brushless motor. Though it has a powerful motor, it operates quietly at just 80 decibels. Surprisingly, this Earth Auger delivers equivalent performance to a 43cc 2-stroke engine, offering 210 revolutions per minute in forward motion and 50 revolutions per minute in reverse. Plus, it produces an impressive 59 foot-pounds of torque. Equipped with 3 LED lights, this tool illuminates your work area for precision, even in low-light conditions. The CRAFTSMAN V20 cordless compact blower is a user-friendly tool designed for quickly clearing debris in your workshop or garage. This lightweight and portable blower features a high-performance motor that can reach speeds up to 125 miles per hour, ensuring a fast and thorough cleanup. It's designed with convenience in mind, seamlessly integrating into the VersaTrack trackwall system for organized storage and easy accessibility. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation, which allows you to move around your workspace without restrictions. Whether you're dealing with leaves, sawdust, or general debris, this blower offers the perfect combination of power and portability, simplifying your cleanup routine and preparing your workspace for your next project with ease. Festool Cordless Drill, a compact yet powerful tool packed with features for versatile and efficient use. Despite its small size, this cordless drill is highly robust and compatible with a compact battery pack that works with all chargers in the 18-volt cordless range. It comes with essential accessories, including a bit holder, LED light control, belt clip, and the convenient sustainer, ensuring you have everything you need at your fingertips. Perfect for navigating tight spaces and handling various tasks, this cordless drill combines portability with functionality, making it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. This is the Skil 8-inch pole saw, a versatile and powerful tool designed to make tree trimming and pruning easy and efficient. Powered by the Skil PWR Core 20-volt battery, this cordless pole saw allows you to move freely without dealing with cords. Its 8-inch cutting bar ensures precise cuts even on high branches. With its compact design and just the right weight, it's easy to handle while still delivering top performance. Forget about cord limitations as you maneuver through branches effortlessly. Users love its functionality and how it simplifies outdoor tasks. When it comes to maintaining trees efficiently, the Skil pole saw is the reliable choice. Introducing the Worx PowerShare sliding compound miter saw, an ideal cordless tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. With its 7.25-inch blade and cordless operation, this miter saw offers unmatched portability and flexibility for woodworking projects of all sizes. This tool has a sliding compound feature that expands cutting capacity for wider and more precise cuts. Plus, with Worx PowerShare technology, it's creating a versatile tool ecosystem. Whether you're tackling trim, molding, or framing tasks, this miter saw's compact design and PowerShare compatibility ensure reliability and convenience, delivering mobility without sacrificing performance. Meet the Worx 20-volt compact circular saw, a robust tool from the Worksaw series. This tool is made to tackle cutting tasks with ease. Featuring a brushless motor, it offers both maneuverability and impressive depth of cut. This cordless circular saw, powered by a 20-volt PowerShare battery, provides the freedom to move without being tethered to cords while delivering efficient performance. Its compact design enhances usability, catering to a variety of applications. This saw is known for its versatility and precision, and professionals use this tool for its exceptional depth of cut and brushless motor. This saw strikes the perfect balance between portability and cutting capabilities. The Flex Mud Mixer is your go-to solution, whether you're tackling tough mixes or routine tasks. Engineered for optimal job preparation, this tool combines power, comfort, and control in one versatile package. Its ergonomic dual-handle design ensures stability and precise control during operation. With 2 mechanical gear speeds and 3 electronic speed modes, it effortlessly handles even the most challenging mixes. Plus, the secure half-inch keyed chuck accommodates common paddles, offering flexibility for various applications. As part of the Flex Advantage, it's cross-compatible with Flex batteries, ensuring consistent power, extended runtime, and fast charging to meet the high-performance standards that professionals need. Bosch GOP 18V Oscillating Multi-Tool, your ultimate companion for versatile and efficient tasks. Equipped with the StarLock 3D tool accessory interface, this tool makes a superior grip for accessories, setting a new standard for oscillating tool performance. With a no-touch blade change system and an EC brushless 18-volt motor, it delivers enhanced efficiency, power, and runtime. With a 2.8-degree oscillating arc, alongside a variable speed dial and constant response circuitry, it offers optimal control for a wide range of applications. Compact and lightweight at just 2.7 pounds, it effortlessly navigates tight spaces, providing comfort with ergonomic grip zones and illuminating dark work areas with its integrated LED light. So that's all. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed discovering some of the latest and greatest tools. If you want to stay updated on the newest releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time!